Hello folks, let's talk about Swiss watch. Now this time this is a Tissot watch. The model is PR100. I have been using this watch for 5-6 years and I can say that this is a very solid watch, very comfy watch. Now I've changed about 2 times the straps. This is the leather straps, so it's not so quite heavy, and you can use it like this way. As with the metal strap, it's going to be very heavy, so that's why I'm using a leather strap. Now this is a classic mode watch. It has the 12 and the 6 numbers. It has a date, which can be adjusted by scrolling the right wheel. Now for 5 years I've been changing around 2 times, twice the battery, which can be unloaded from this side. So basically one charge with one battery takes around 2 years, and this I find very well made mechanism inside of this watch. So in case if you do love the classic mode, this model as a Tissot PR100 is made for you. That's why I'm really recommending for you. They're not made for the sport activities, but in case if you're using for your day-by-day commute to the work and back, or if you're using it at work in your office, this is the right choice. I bought it in UK. There was a huge manual, like 2 or 3 books, and a very big box inside where I found my watch. And this is the Swiss made watch. It can be made only in Swiss. Now the main reason because I bought the Tissot is because of the brand, of course. This is a worldwide brand, which I think you do know it. So basically, if you're looking for some classical view, for some classical watch, in this case I really advise you to look for this model. The model is Tissot PR100. That's all folks. Have a nice day.